Hey guys, welcome to Max or Max. I am Priya here to teach you class 10 mathematics.
Question number 14. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? Okay, they have asked that how many multiples of 4. Last time we did about multiples of 7. So here it's about multiple of 4 between 10 and 250. Okay. They have given the limits. Okay, they have given the starting and ending point. So we need to find number of terms. Okay, this is a given sequence of AP. Now we have to find the number of limits, that is n. So what is n? Here a is equal to 12 and b is equal to 16 minus 12, which is equal to 4, and an is equal to 248. Now what's the formula for an? Yes, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into b. Now we have to substitute these values in this formula. 248 is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into 4. Okay, 248 minus 12 divided by 4 is equal to n minus 1, where n is equal to 60. So this is the value of n. So hence the number of turns lies between 12 and 248 are 60. Number of terms are 60. Question number 15. For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs 63, 65, 67 and 3, 10, 70 equal? For what value of n? They have given two APs. Now we have to find the value of n for both. Okay. Here the given AP is are 63, 65, 67, and this is first AP. This is second AP. For first AP, we have A is equal to 63, B is equal to 65 minus 63, which is equal to 2. And here therefore an is equal to, we need to just form an equation. So for forming an equation, we need to substitute these values in the formula of an. So what is an? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into b. For substituting this, 63 plus n minus 1 into 2. Okay. By solving this, 2n minus 2 and 61 plus 2. So this is the equation we formed. Okay. For AP1, we have formed this equation. Now we should do for AP2. For AP2, we have A is equal to 3, B is equal to n minus 3, which is equal to 7. And an is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. And here, so this is the equation from AP2. This is the equation for AP2. Okay, so now we got two equations, right? We have to solve those two equations. We have found an is equal to and an is equal to, right? While LHS are same, similarly RHS will be same. So 7n minus 4 is obviously equal to 2n plus 61. Okay, now we have to get variables in one side and constants on other side. Here 5n is equal to 65 and n value will be 13. So the number of terms is 13. We have to write and we have to conclude this like hence the rectangle required value of n is 13. Okay, this is how we have to conclude this sum. Now let's move on to the next sum. Question number 16. Question number 16. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. It seems a little complicated, but it's actually not. Okay, first write whatever you have understand. Okay, first in first part of the question they have given your third term is 16. That means A3 is equal to 16. Then now listen carefully. The seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. What does it mean? Seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Exceeds means add. Okay? Exceeds means add. Which means seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So this is the meaning of this equation. Now we have to solve this. We know what is third term. So now what we have to do? We have to expand this equation as A3 is equal to A plus 2D, which is equal to 16. Here in the given equation, A7 is equal to A5 plus 12. Now let me take these terms in the same side. A7 minus A5, which is equal to 12. Right? And now when we expand this, A plus 6D minus of A plus 4D, which is equal to 12. In this way it will become more easier. So when I give minus symbol into this, minus A minus 4D, and A and A will get cancelled, so 6D minus 4D is equal to 12, 1. Where D is equal to 6. Okay, now we know the value of D. Since A plus 2D is equal to 16, here, right? We have to substitute this value here. And A plus 2 of 6 is equal to 16. Now A is equal to 16 minus 12 and A is equal to 4. So the value of A is 4. We know the value of A. For now we know the value of A and D. Okay. Now we have to, what is the question actually? Determine the AP whose. So we need to form an AP. We know the first term and the common difference. From this information we have to form an AP, right? So what is my A is 4 and common difference is 6. Now the first term is A, which is equal to 4, and second term is A plus common difference D, which is equal to 4 plus 6 and equal to 10. A3 is A plus 2D or A2 plus D, which is equal to 10 plus 6 as equal to 16. Okay? A4 is equal to A plus 3D or A3 plus D, which is equal to 16 plus 6 is equal to 16 plus 6 is equal to 22. So we got the first 4 terms for this. Thus, the required AP is 4, 10, 16, 22, and it goes on. So this is how you have to do this sum, and here this sum ends. Question number 17. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. The AP is 3, 8, 13 and 253. So the given AP is 3, 8, 13 and it goes on and it is 253. The given AP is 3, 8, 13, 253. They have asked find the 20th term from the last term. That means from the reverse we have to find the 20th term. How can we find? To find the 20th term from the reverse, we have to ulta. That means you have to reverse the whole AP sequence. Okay? The first comes the last and last comes the first. On reversing the given AP, on reversing the given AP, the new AP will be, on reversing the given AP, the new AP will be 253, 248 and it goes on 13, 8 and 3. Okay, this is how we need to do this particular sum. Now A is equal to 253, right? And your D will be 248 minus 253, which is equal to minus 5. Your D is, so you know what is your A, what is your D. So now you know what is your value of A and D. Now we have to find the value of A20. What is the value of A20? Okay, therefore A20 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to A plus 19D. Here is 253 plus 19 into minus 5 and your A20 value is 158. Therefore, A20 is equal to 158. Okay. Hence, the 20th term from the last is 158. Okay. In this sum, just try to remember, if they ask the value from the last, you have to reverse the whole AP, reversing the whole AP sequence and find the term. Okay. Find the required term. Question number 18. The sum of the 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24. The sum of the 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24. So let me write the given data first. They have given sum of 4th and 8th term is 24. Okay. And second part of the question is, and the sum of the 6th and 10th terms is 44. So A6 plus A10, which is equal to 44. And find the first 3 terms of the AP. So we need to find the first 3 terms of an AP. For that we have to solve these 2 equations. How to solve? Okay, here A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. How to expand this? Yes, A plus 3D plus A plus sum and D, which is equal to 24. 2A plus 10D is equal to 24, and this will be your equation number 1. And here A6 plus A10, which is equal to 44. How to expand this? A plus 5D plus A plus 9D, which is equal to 44. By solving this, 2A plus 14D, which is equal to 44, and this will be your equation number 2. So we got our equation number 1. So we got equation number 1 and equation number 2. From this we have to find the value of A and D to solve the next step. What is the very next step after this? Yes, you have to subtract this. So subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So my equation 2 will be 15D, which is equal to 44, and equation 1 is 10 equal to 24. If I have to subtract means first I have to change my symbol. After changing symbol, I got to eliminate the A term. After subtracting this, 4D which is equal to 20. Now 4D is equal to 20 means the value of D is 5. So we know the value of D. Now what we have to do? We have to substitute this value in equation 1 or equation 2. Okay. So now we have to substitute D is equal to 5 in equation 1. What is your equation 1? So here so the value of A is equal to minus 13. Now we have to find the first 3 terms of this AP. So we know what is A and the common difference D. Right? So the first term is equal to A, which is equal to minus 13. A2 will be A plus D, which is equal to minus 13 plus 5 minus 8. A3 is equal to A plus 2D or A2 plus D, which is equal to plus 5 minus 3. So we have got the first 3 terms of this AP. Hence, the first 3 terms are minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3. Only 2 more questions are left, so let's complete it quickly. The question is, Subaram started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach 7,000? Okay, they have given a situation of Subbarao, right? Yes, Subbarao. We have to find in which year did his income reach 7,000. Okay, now the starting what? While he started working in 1995, his salary is rupees 5,000, right? And he received an increment each year, so of 200. So the next year will be 5,200 and it will go on like this, right? And they are asked in which year he will reach the value of rupees 7,000. So we have to find number of years, that is the value of n. So we know the value of A, which is equal to 5,000, B is equal to 200 and AN is equal to 7,000. So now guys, what is the formula for AN? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Therefore, the number of years is 11. So, he have to work for 11 years to reach rupees 7,000. This is how the sum ends and it is a very easy sum. Now, let's move on to the last sum of this exercise. Question number 20. Question is, Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week, her weekly savings become rupees 20.75, find n. Okay. It is a direct question, says we have to find the n. Now what is your AP? My AP will be like this. How did I get this in? Guess it. Here in this question they have said Ramkali saved ₹5 in the first week of the year. So my first term will be 5. And then increased her weekly savings by ₹1.75. They have given that she saved 1.75 weekly. So 5 plus 1.75 and it goes on like that. And we need to find how many weeks did she need to save 20.75. So in this given AP, what is my A? It is 5 and D will be 1.75. It is directly given in this question and AN will be 20.75. Now what I have to find? Number of weeks, that is N. Okay, tell me now what is the formula for AN? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay, and by substituting this, I will get my N value will be 10. She needs 10 weeks to finally attain the ₹20.75. So the number of weeks is 10. This is the last sum of this exercise and here this exercise ends.
Practice these sums well. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.